How to duplicate a page on WordPress. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can duplicate a page on WordPress, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to duplicate a page on WordPress, it's very simple. I won't ask you to install any third-party apps or plugins. Just log into your WordPress dashboard and then go to the pages section and then go to all pages, as you can see. So let's say that there is a specific page that I want to duplicate. In this case, I'll just select this return and policy over here, or let's say my account page, right? If I select view over here, you'll be able to see that this page currently looks like this. If I want to duplicate this page, all I have to do is just click on the edit button next to this page first, and once I click on the edit button, you will see this type of WordPress editor, but we want to switch to the HTML editor. So what we're actually going to do is we're just going to click on this little three dots over here, and then you can just go to code editor. As you can see, instead of visual editor, you want to go to code editor, and basically you want to copy all the code in this page, right? Just copy the code in this page, and then you can simply switch and exit this code editor. Now just come to your dashboard. Now come to your dashboard and then just add a new page. Once you add a new page, just name that page whatever you want, right? So this is, let's say, demo 2. And once I create this new page, I will just go ahead and then switch to code editor again. So click on the three dots and then go to code editor here, and once you go to code editor, just paste the code that we just copied to this page, and then just click on publish button or save draft. Now if you preview this page, basically in a, let's say, desktop or mobile, or preview in a new tab, you'll be able to see that this page also basically looks the same because we copied the code. So all you want to do is switch to the code editor or the HTML editor, copy the code, create a new page, paste the code, and that is it. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.